Now the question says select 3 more squares so that the figure is symmetrical about the red dotted line. The red dotted line given us here, over here, is the diagonal line. This line is called the line of symmetry, and it is also like the line of refractions of a mirror. So all that you have to make sure is that on both sides of this line they have symmetrical figure or shape. Alright, that will complete the shapes and find the unknowns that the question wants you to do. So let's do it and trace out the boxes. Right on top here you have a triangle on the left and on the left side of the line, and then you have similarly a triangle on the right side of the line. You got nothing to add, and move on, nothing here, and move on, same. So nothing to add, move on. On the right hand side you have a square here, but on the left you got nothing. You got to add this square. Alright, this one, mark it. Then we move on to the next line, a diagonal line, which is you have 1 here and then nothing. So you have nothing here, you need to add 1 here too, right, to make it symmetrical. So mark it. Move on again, next diagonal line here, you have 1 here, but here you have nothing. You got to have 1 here shaded so that it will be symmetrical. So mark it first and move on. This is shades, nothing, and move on again, there's nothing here, and move on, there's nothing here. It has been symmetrical already. So count the boxes that have been marked. Finally you have 1, 2, 3, which is exactly the 3 boxes that you need to color to make sure that the figure becomes symmetrical about the line. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.